0 to 8 seconds. A billionaire heiress laughed as she handed an old rusty car to a struggling mechanic. Everyone thought it was worthless junk. But 2 weeks later, that same car will reveal a secret worth $9 million. Story, 8 to 50 seconds. Daniel Hayes was a hard-working single, father barely making ends meet through a small repair shop. One day, billionaire heiress Vanessa Callaway decided to clear out her late father's garage. Among the forgotten items sat a dusty, rust-covered car that looked ready for the scrapyard. As a joke, Vanessa tossed Daniel the keys and told him he could keep it. While restoring the vehicle, Daniel discovered hidden documents and a serial number that changed everything. The car wasn't scrap. It was a one-of-a-kind prototype built decades earlier, making it one of the rarest automobiles in existence. Suddenly, collectors from around the world were offering millions, ending 50 to 60 seconds. The rusty car was eventually valued at over $9 million. Vanessa learned a painful lesson about judging things by appearances, while Daniel's life changed forever. Sometimes the greatest treasures are hidden where nobody thinks to look. See today, backhand index pointing right if you believe kindness, humility, and hard work always pay off. Like this video and subscribe for more inspiring stories that restore faith in humanity. Blue heart sparkles.